How to dispute late payments on your credit report. Late payments can significantly impact your credit score and financial health. Understanding how they affect your credit report and knowing the steps to dispute inaccuracies are crucial for maintaining a healthy credit profile. This guide will delve into the ramifications of late payments, valid reasons for disputing them, and the process to address these issues effectively. Understanding late payments, impact on credit score, and duration on credit report. Late payments occur when you fail to pay at least the minimum amount due on a credit account by the due date. Creditors typically report payments that are 30 days or more overdue to the credit bureaus, which can then appear on your credit report and negatively affect your credit score. Impact on credit score. Payment history is a critical component of your credit score, accounting for approximately 35% of your 𝐂𝐢𝐬𝐞 score. A single late payment can cause a noticeable drop in your score. Duration on credit report. Late payments can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years from the original delinquency date. However, their influence on your credit score diminishes over time, especially if you consistently make on-time payments thereafter. Valid reasons for disputing late payments. Not all late payments reported on your credit report are accurate. There are several legitimate reasons to dispute a late payment. Errors in reporting mistakes can happen, and creditors might inaccurately report a payment as late. Common errors include payments made on time, situations where you have proof of on-time payment, but it's still marked as late. Incorrect dates. The payment might have been late, but the reported date is incorrect, affecting the severity of the delinquency. Duplicate reporting. The same late payment is reported multiple times, exaggerating the negative impact. Fraudulent activity. If your identity has been compromised and unauthorized accounts or charges appear on your credit report, any associated late payments are invalid. In such cases, it's imperative to dispute these inaccuracies promptly. Extenuating circumstances. Life events can sometimes hinder your ability to make timely payments. While not guaranteed to result in removal, creditors may consider these situations: medical emergencies, unexpected health issues leading to hospitalization or incapacitation. Natural disasters. Events like floods, earthquakes, or hurricanes disrupting normal life and financial obligations. Family emergencies. Situations such as the death or severe illness of a close family member. In these cases, providing documentation and communicating proactively with creditors can sometimes lead to leniency or adjustments. Step-by-step dispute process. If you identify inaccuracies in late payment reporting, it's essential to address them promptly. Obtain your credit reports. Begin by acquiring your credit reports from the 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You're entitled to a free report from each bureau annually through annualcreditreport.com. Review for inaccuracies. Scrutinize each report for discrepancies, focusing on payment histories and dates. Highlight any inconsistencies or errors. Gather supporting documentation. Collect evidence to substantiate your claim, such as bank statements showing payment transactions, payment confirmations, receipts or confirmation emails from the creditor. Correspondence. Any communication with the creditor regarding the disputed payment. Initiate the dispute with credit bureaus. You can file disputes online, by mail, or over the phone. When submitting a dispute, include personal information, full name, address, and contact details. Details of the dispute. Clearly explain the error, referencing specific account numbers and dates. Supporting documents. Attach copies, never originals, of your evidence. Each bureau has its own process. Equifax, online dispute portal. Experian, online dispute center. TransUnion, dispute services. Contact the creditor directly. In addition to notifying the credit bureaus, inform the creditor, also known as the furnisher, about the error. They are obligated to investigate and inform the bureaus of any inaccuracies. Monitor the dispute progress. Credit bureaus typically have 30 days to investigate and respond to your dispute. They will provide results in writing, indicating whether the disputed item was corrected or remains unchanged. Follow up as necessary. If the dispute is resolved in your favor, ensure the changes are reflected in updated credit reports. If not, you have the right to add a statement to your credit file explaining your position, which future creditors can review. By understanding the impact of late payments and the avenues available for disputing inaccuracies, you can take proactive steps to safeguard and improve your credit health. When to seek professional help. How credit repair services can streamline the process. When you're struggling to correct errors on your credit report, especially late payments, the process can quickly feel overwhelming. From gathering documentation to drafting dispute letters and following up with credit bureaus, it's not just time-consuming, it's mentally draining. That's why professional services are often equipped to craft dispute letters with proper legal language, escalate issues to creditors if the bureaus fail to respond, redispute items that are reinserted without verification, identify less obvious negative factors dragging your score down. Some even offer ongoing credit monitoring and coaching, so you can stay ahead of any future damage. How 𝐲𝐻 Consultant supports long-term credit wellness. Here's the thing. Credit repair isn't just about fixing mistakes. It's about building a system that protects your financial reputation for life. 𝐲𝐻 Consultant doesn't just dispute inaccuracies. They help you understand what factors affect your score, guide you on healthy credit behavior, and offer strategies tailored to your financial goals. From ongoing monitoring to proactive communication with creditors, they help you stay 2 steps ahead. Their approach is rooted in empowerment, not dependency. You're not handing over your financial future. You're taking control of it, with expert support by your side. Final thought: credit health equals financial freedom. Repairing and maintaining good credit isn't just about boosting a number. It's about lowering your cost of living. It's about qualifying for opportunities you deserve. It's about peace of mind. Because when your credit is strong, you don't just get access to money. You gain leverage, confidence, and the freedom to make better choices for yourself and your family. So whether you're cleaning up past mistakes or just starting your financial journey, make credit care a lifelong priority. You're not just fixing a score, you're building your future. Want expert guidance on your credit journey? Visit 𝐲𝐻consultant.com today. Our specialists help people just like you build, repair, and master credit. Don't leave your financial future to chance. Take control today with 𝐲𝐻 Consultant.